got out of GNC and they gave us a free Rockstar. So kind of lit. I needed to get a new shaker cup and some pre-workout because I'll talk to you guys in the car. Alright guys, so I just went to GNC right now before I went to gym because two things. I need a shaker cup because my shaker cup is like an Under Armour, is like a little one. So I got bored of it. Second of all, notifications. Anyways, there's like a whole like trash in the back of my car. A pre-workout, and they also gave us a free Rockstar. I never really drank Rockstar before. What is on, everyone? So before I start off the commentary on the workout, I just want to introduce myself. My name is J6, and I started this series called The Winter Uprising, which I am actually 13 episodes in. Instead of going with days, I'm gonna go with episodes because I promised 90 days, basically 90 episodes, and I've only done 13 episodes, and I'm like 35 days in, so it's like I'm 20 videos behind. So the series will not end until I complete my 90 videos. So for that, I'll start off the commentary. What up? Hello there, guys, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm not gonna do a little face cam because you guys are already having enough of me, of course, but I am gonna do a voiceover. But you guys can see I am doing cardio first of all, as a high intensity workout. So I do this for 20 to 30 minutes to get my body warmed up, to get my blood sugar, like my blood flowing through my body, and just to get hyped because higher blood pressure, higher heart rate, the more intense you feel, the more awake you feel, something like that. But yeah, I could do a video more in depth of that, but as we go along, we do the second workout, which is leg press. So I do this for about 4 sets. I go 8, 10, 5, and 3. So I go heavier, and that's why it goes like that. But I do the 10 in the middle between 8 and 5 just to confuse the muscle a little bit. And I just do this normally. I do like if you guys could see like where you put your feet, I do like 2 bubbles from the logo in the middle. I don't go all the way wide, I just stay normally. I also want to add that after the 4 sets in the end, I leave like 145 plate, and since like my muscles kind of already used to it for a little bit, I go for 50 reps. But I do want to let you guys know something. When you guys are doing this, please, I repeat, please always do it on a 90 degree angle when it comes to when you're coming down from the machine. And when you go all the way up, do not lock your knees. Please do not lock your knees, because that's how most people get injured. Have you guys seen those like viral videos that people do sometimes? They go crazy, they put mad weight, and then in the end they crack their leg or whatever. It's just disgusting. But please just be careful. I've been doing this for 4 years, even though my body doesn't show it because I'm too lazy to actually go in the diet. But I do my research, I do all this, so in a way, like, I do it for my own sake, but you guys could go ahead and do it for your own too. Another thing is, as you guys can see, I am re-racking the weights, because don't be those assholes who don't re-rack their weights. Plus one day I'm thinking of opening my gym, and I want people to re-rack their weights. I don't want people to just leave it there. But as you know, if you're gonna weigh that much, you might as well have the balls to put them back. Moving on to the next workout, we are doing this hamstring. I forgot what these are called, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, but you guys know the machine. Anyways, so I do this for 4 sets of 15, and I just go on and stay steady, keep it still, just one of those machines. And yeah, so there's not much to say about them, but a little tip for people who want to grow their legs, because I find my legs really strong, the fact that I can do 10 plates each side on leg press. So one tip that, giving you guys all my tips of being strong or whatever, because I know people have problems with their legs. One of my uncle does, so he always is jealous to, wish I had bigger calves, bigger legs, but he's still strong though. But just keep it up in the sky for 5 seconds and then put it back down. Sky for 5 seconds, not 5 seconds, but a few seconds, and go back down. Up for a few seconds and go back down. Anyway, all right, that's it for this machine. Next up, we have its little brother, which is this is a hamstring. The last one was like freaking quads. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little confused, but same thing, same concept. I like going forward and squeezing my hamstrings real good. I came back up, squeezing real good. 4 sets and 15 reps, like I said. And I just do this, just keep doing it basically. Stay focused. These are little workouts that you guys could go through easily. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, just, you know, if you guys can, again, squeeze it in the bottom, squeeze it, so it's like, you know, that way your muscle actually feels it and you're actually pumping up your muscle. Flex and squeeze at the same time. But that's it. And then there's abs, of course. I just want to do note that I was gonna do squats, but it was a really busy days. Like I said on previous vlogs, the first 2 months of every year, the New Year's resolution people's, and I try to make fun of them, but it gets packed because of that. So if you guys ever wonder why gyms are packed for the most part, but yeah, so I do my abs a little, you know, I don't have abs, so I can't really give tips, but I try to go all the way up and, you know, squeeze and stop, and that's just, you know, basically one thing I keep on you know, following on all my workouts. So, you know, it's something that I feel good, and, you know, I try to stay consistent. So I actually tried this for the first time, but it's oh well. But yeah, guys, that's my workout, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I think I'm gonna leave the video here. This is my full-on leg day workout. Some days I do other machines, some days I don't, but for the most part, this is what I did today, and it works for me. And I give out a little few tips, so if you guys want, you guys could take it out as well. But it's been J6. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe for more videos like this, for more helpful tips if you guys want to see different types of workout help, this and that. But yeah, join my series and follow me along in this journey. Alright guys, see you guys till next time.